Hi there folks, Paul Bars signing in for a very quick how-to tutorial. UTM tracking codes. Now this is a tracking code that we can use with our advertising and campaigns, which runs through Google Analytics, allowing us to better measure the results that we get. The easiest way to find the link to the tracking code form to create what we need is just to Google it. And that will take us to a number of options. They're all pretty much the same, but I'm going to suggest you take the URL Builder, Analytics Help, and before anything, for the first time, spend some time reading through this information just to see how it works. What I'm going to do for the moment, though, is just go straight to the URL Builder and create a tracking code form. So the first thing I need to do is to enter the URL of my website, where I actually want it to go in the long run. So for example, let's say that's where I would like this to end up, at the shop section there. Campaign source. So where is this particular advertisement going to go? Now remember, you can create tracking URLs to send traffic to the same place but from different sources and track just this one individual thing. So I'm going to do this in, let's say, my newsletter. But if you were doing it through somebody else's newsletter, you might put their name there. If you were doing it through Facebook, you might put Facebook there. If you were doing it through a referral from another website, you might put that referral website name there. Then the medium. Now that specifically refers to, is it a pay-per-click, or is it a banner ad, or is it an email, or is it something? So for me, it is email. So let me just explain these forms. They are important. Where you want it to go, what form of campaign you're going to be doing, and how that campaign is going to be generated. So I have going to my shop. I'm going to do this one by newsletter, which is email. But I could have going to my shop. I'm going to do it through Facebook, and it's a PPC, pay-per-click campaign. Campaign term, content, these ones I'm not going to worry about for today. Not essential. If I was using pay-per-click advertising and a number of ads targeting different keyword phrases, I would use this and I would use this, but no real name. But now we give it a name as well, which is overall. So for me, it's going to my shop, so I'm just going to call it shop because it's a general thing. But if I was doing, for example, going to my shop through my newsletter, which goes out by email, and it was a coupon code, I might put here coupon, because that I'd send out to my customers at Christmas time and say, this, folks, is just for you. Then I need to generate this URL. And it gives me some code which I can just select. It's not going to let me select the whole lot, so just drag across here. There we go. Copy. I'll just paste it into here for the moment. That becomes my tracking URL that I would use. Now here's the thing. If it's just a link that someone's going to click on somewhere, that's okay. Nothing wrong with that as a link. But you'd never use that and ask people to want to type it out, or you'd never use it if it looks untidy, which it does. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use a simple WordPress plugin called Redirection to sharpen these links.